Hello everyone, this is Mihir Korulwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on defense sector. Defense Ministry announcement on modernization proposals worth rupees 54,000 crores to drive the uptick in order inflows of for Hindustan Aeronautics and Bharat Electronics Limited companies. The Defense Acquisition Council also approved guidelines to shorten the acquisition timelines at various stages to further smoothen the process by making it faster, effective, and efficient. New acquisition norms would reduce the acquisition timelines from 96 weeks to 24 weeks. As new norms are implemented, there is an expectation of increased momentum in defense procurement and sustainable growth prospects for the sector in the coming years. Considering the upcoming order momentum, analysts remains bullish on Hindustan Aeronautics with a price target of Rs 5,100 and Bharat Electronics with a price target of Rs 380 as they are the key beneficiaries of structural reforms in defense sector. Recent correction in defense PSU stocks provides a value buying opportunity. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to follow us on our social media handles for the latest market insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.